Welcome back to Smart Speak English. Today, we're doing a deep dive into something really essential for connecting with people in English, small talk.
Yes, small talk. It sounds simple, but it's so important.
Totally. Think of it as that social warm-up, those little casual chats that just help everyone feel a bit more comfortable.
Exactly. It's that brief connection you make. You see it all the time, don't you? Waiting in line, maybe before a meeting kicks off.
Or at a party, even just grabbing coffee. It's everywhere.
It really is. And our sort of mission today is to look at what makes it work well.
Yeah, and how you can confidently start those moments yourself.
Because those brief chats, they really do play a big role in building rapport, even if they seem, well, trivial sometimes.
It's like the social lubricant keeps interactions flowing smoothly.
That's a good way to put it. It's less about deep information exchange and more about just acknowledging someone, finding that quick, easy connection.
Okay, so let's get into it. What makes a topic, good for small talk? What's the safe zone?
Well, the best ones are usually pretty universal, right? Low risk, stuff anyone can chip in on without much thought.
Like the weather. The absolute classic.
Exactly. There's a reason it's a classic. Everyone experiences it. You don't need any special knowledge.
Right. Work can be okay sometimes, depending on the situation.
Or hobbies, maybe food, travel.
Oh, pets. People often love talking about their pets, don't they?
They do. It's an easy way to find some common ground pretty fast.
And the key thing is, these topics let you chat for a bit without getting too personal or needing strong opinions.
Precisely. It keeps things light and comfortable.
Which brings us to the flip side. What should you definitely steer clear of, especially when you first start talking to someone?
Yeah, that's important. You generally want to avoid anything potentially controversial or, too deeply personal.
Like politics. Religion.
Definitely those. Also, maybe detail health problems or getting specific about finances. These are just heavier topics, Small talk works best when it's light.
Bringing up something heavy can make things awkward fast. Or lead to disagreements you didn't bargain for.
Right. Keep it breezy.
Okay, so goal is lightness, connection. How do you actually start? What's a practical way in?
It can be really simple. Often just commenting on your shared surroundings works great. Say you're both waiting for that coffee.
Right.
You could just say, wow, it looks busy today, huh? Or maybe, have you tried their mocha? Is it good?
Or if you're outside, feels like summer's finally here, something you're both experiencing.
Exactly that. These aren't like deep philosophical openers. They just open the door. Usually a simple observation, maybe followed by a gentle, easy question.
Nice day, isn't it? Or, how's your morning going?
Perfect. Easy stuff.
And the other person can just give a short reply or say a bit more if they want to. It's not like an interrogation.
No, definitely not. It's just an invitation. See if they want to chat for a moment.
So besides openers, are there other useful phrases, like to keep it going briefly or wrap it up?
Good question. Yeah, having a few ways to respond helps. If someone shares something small, just simple things like, oh, really? Or, that sounds interesting. Show you're listening.
Keeps it flowing.
And if you want to encourage them a tiny bit more, maybe, oh, tell me more. Or, how long have you been doing that? Shows interest without being pushy.
And knowing how to exit smoothly is key too, right?
Absolutely. Simple things like, well, it was nice chatting. Or, anyway, I should get going. Have a great day. Polite and clear.
So wrapping this up for our listeners, what's the main takeaway here?
I think the main thing is that small talk is a skill. It's something you can absolutely learn and get better at. Don't be intimidated by it.
Yeah, start small, try those simple openers, comment on the situation, look for those little chances in your day.
Even just a, hi, how are you today, can work. Or notice something simple about where you are.
And see what happens. It's okay if it's just, 30 seconds. That's often all it is.
The goal isn't some deep bond instantly. It's just about creating a moment of comfortable, light connection.
So stay relaxed, be friendly, try not to overthink it.
That's pretty much it. The framework is simple once you get the hang of it.
And remember, practice really does make perfect. So maybe try starting a small talk moment today in English. We hope this deep dive was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a like and definitely leave a comment below if you have any questions or, any doubts about this. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Speak English for more tips like these. See you next time.